Hello, and welcome to the Date Time series for Microsoft Excel. In this series, we'll look at the date time functions that can be used within a formula or as a standalone feature. These features are beneficial in determining past and present dates and can even be used to automatically insert information. We will look at the Today function, which will automatically return today's date. We will then use this feature to extract the month, day, and year into individual cells. We will then use the date, month, and year to return a combined date. The Now function returns the current date and time. We will use this feature to extract the hour, the minute, as well as the second. We will then take the extracted information to convert it back into its original state. As we move further into the series, we'll get into calculating dates. The dated-if function will calculate the difference between two dates. The days function will calculate the count of days between two dates. The EDate function will return a date after adding or subtracting months from a supplied date. The EOMonth function will return the end of month date from the future month or a past month. The NetworkDays function will count the days between a start and end date, excluding weekends and holidays. The NetworkINTL function will count the days between the start and end date, excluding weekends and holidays, based on customization. We'll look at the TimeValue function, which converts a time value that is stored as text. We'll look at how we can add this into a formula, and we'll do the same for the DateValue function, which converts a date that is formatted as text into an actual date. Congratulations! You are doing an awesome job on moving through the videos. Go ahead and take a break. You certainly do deserve it, and we will see you in the next video.